Believe it or not, this thing right here, this tiny bag, is a table, a camping table that is about like 24 inches long, super durable, waterproof, and it also supports 66 pounds. So with that being said, this one, you're gonna see how easy it is to put together. So you're gonna have two things. Of course, everything comes with the bag. You're also gonna have, I was not planned. You're also gonna have this part over here, those 4 pins, and then you're also gonna have the entire frame with you, which you're gonna put together in about a few minutes or something like that. And just making sure that you have what is gonna be the frame and the legs, all those two together. Whenever you have them all set, this is kind of like gonna be the legs over here and the frame. And once you're done, it's gonna look kind of like this, and then you're gonna put it back one more time with the clips, and then let me show you how it looks with this one. So once that you have the frame, which is going to look like this, you're going to make sure that the legs are down here at the bottom, and the frame is going to just look like this with this poles right here. What you're going to do is you're going to put it just like this. This is going to be the frame of your table, and then with this you're going to just clip one more there, one there, and then you're going to kind of like squeeze it a little bit, and that's pretty much it. You have your camping table, which also is going to come right here with this. Is going to be kind of like your pocket. You can put it on this side or in the middle. It has kind of like a clip, so you can put those clips in the middle section. So that's going to be kind of like a really nice support that you can put under the table. But this one, super lightweight, really easy to put together. It takes about, I want to say probably like 7 minutes, 5-7 minutes. And once you're done, 66 pounds right here just to have a breakfast, just to have some food at camping or at the beach. For the beach, this one may be something really cool to have. You can put just like the snacks, or if you're having like sandwiches or picnics, something like that. This is going to be really good. Lightweight, 66 pounds, durable, waterproof, and of course, easy to put together and put it back in the bag whenever you're done.